Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a different unboxing. So we have a WhiteBox model, which is the Allegiant 757-200, the 1:400 scale. So let's go to it. Here's the box. I guess that's why they call them the WhiteBox model. Nothing different from normal. Doesn't have really anything at all. Here's the code. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it was quite some time ago. So the first thing is that it's blue, so you know which company it reminds you to, so you know. I do have as well the MD-80 of this Allegiant, but that's on Gemini Jet, so I won't add it through this video, but we can see it in another one if you want to. So unboxing it, you feel like you're unboxing a different brand, not a WhiteBox, you know. Starting with the plastic color, but let's go through the model itself. Here it is. No branding. Travel is ordeal. I really like this Allegiant liveries. And I heard that the first Allegiant Gemini Jet was a hard seller, but I don't know why. I really like these liveries, but here it is. Detail. Well done. So let's go to some shots, and later on we can go to the details of the model and we can do some comparison. So let's go through the shots. Now, before the comparison with the Gemini Jet, we'll be doing a little details this model has got. So first of all, we've got the Allegiant logo. Well, the branding, which is really nice. I like that sun rising. Beautiful. Then we've got Travel is Ordeal. On the inside and on the outside of this little winglet, we've got this little logo, which is well done. Then we've got the registration number, which is November 902 November Victor, and at the tail we've got the logo. And now let's go to the comparison between a Gemini Jet and a WhiteBox model. So let's go through it. Now, to begin the comparison, we'll go very quickly with the boxes. So you can see they're pretty much the same size. They do match. Now, for starters, WhiteBox is winning because it does come with the two winglets, and Gemini Jets didn't. Paint quality, I'd say it's tied. Both are really nice. Remember, these are to the very same model, just different airline. Now, the details. So you can see they are pretty much the same. Now let's go with the ears. So yeah, they do have some paint flaws, but well done. Now here, we do have some more flaws, but they do both the same job. They look pretty much identical, but I think WhiteBox does a bit worse than Gemini Jets. Then, let's say, dimension wise, both look pretty much identical. The wing tips, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I think they are again the same. So probably if my United Airlines had come with my other winglet, Gemini Jets would have done better. But since this one does come with a winglet, I think this is a clear winner. But if you get your hands in 1757 of Gemini jets, which is not damaged. Of course, it's a little bit better just for the gear, but again, some flaws that might change between models and models. I'd say the quality is the same. Again, metal and metal. It doesn't sound, but yeah, there it is. So both are made out of metal. So I think WhiteBox, it's a clear equalizer to a Gemini jet. Probably Gemini does a slightly better job with the paint, but WhiteBox is not a bad option. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If so, please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.